of Lajja's podcast. Lajja is India's first forum for women, and the podcast series has been started to support women at Lajja, especially the members. Well, in today's episode, we have Nikita. Welcome, Nikita.
Thank you so much, Riddhi, for welcoming me on this platform. I really am glad and so honored to be on this platform because this platform doesn't talk about only business, but it talks about upliftment of the woman. Thank you so much.
Thank you so very much. It really means a lot for us. By the way, for all the viewers, it's important for you to know that Nikita, by profession, is a lawyer. And yet she's going to talk about her brand, Nikita's Earthborn. So let us know something about you, Nikita.
Yeah, so to just make it a little short and crisp, my journey started as a jewelry designer before. I was an entrepreneur with my father, helping him in his business. And then out of blue, sometime the destiny recalls for being a lawyer. I started practicing, studying law out of fun, but then it became my core profession then. And with the journey, as I started growing in the journey, and when I got married, I had a kid. So after my second child, especially when I suffered my hair and skin problems, it made me realize that using a lot of chemicals over the period of time has caused a lot of damage because internally I was getting weak due to delivery, and externally using a lot of chemical has made my hair, skin and overall body weak and weak. And that way how Nikita's Earthborn came into the picture, which I started with my family and which boosted me and made me feel that this should reach to all the women in the world, that they should understand using chemicals is not a solution. They are not going to solve the problem. They are going to exaggerate the problem more and more. It will multiply your problem. So this way how I went on to the organic things which made me feel better. And this is way I feel that yes, now it's time for going completely natural and organic.
That was a beautiful journey, in fact. What were the challenges you faced while starting a product line, a natural product line, and especially when there are big players in the industry, right? What made you start this? That's so beautifully you explained us. But we also want to know that what are the challenges you faced, and कभी ऐसा नहीं लगा कि इसको बंद कर दूँ?
Honestly, when my child was 5 to 7 months old and when I was using for him the product made by me, and I saw the transformation in him, and then after that when I started for myself, I also saw my transformations. चैलेंज था मेरे लिए, बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज था. 2 बच्चों को बड़ा करना, घर को संभालना, एंड अगेन द प्रोफेशन वन विच आई वाज स्टिल कंटिन्यूइंग एज अ लॉयर एंड स्टिल डूइंग दिस न्यू वन वाज अ चैलेंज टू मी. दैट वाज अ डिफरेंट चैलेंज, बट yes, sustaining in the industry where it's a big ocean of cosmetic and products, and being me coming up as just a small tinge of a small fish was a challenge to me. Initially, yes, I started with 3 products, started talking to the people about it, why you should use this, what are the benefits of that, and then slowly, gradually from 3 to 12, 12 to 20, now I have a 60 plus products in my pocket. And yes, the challenge was making them understand why my product is different from the other and how it can help you, your skin and your hair from the root cause to solve the problem. And that problem, once it is solved, it is going to be permanent. It's not going to be like temporary effect है. जैसे कॉस्मेटिक ले लो या फिर कोई भी केमिकल प्रोडक्ट ले लो, तो उसका इम्पैक्ट कैसे रहता है कि वो टेम्पररी इफेक्ट्स देता है. वो तब तक अपना लगाया और किया, तब तक इट इज़ लुकिंग वेरी नाइस, बट देन द मोमेंट नेक्स्ट डे इट इज़ either your hair is dry frizzy or either your skin looks more damaged. So I don't wanted to give that results. I wanted to solve that problem from the root cause.
I understand.
So that way people started understanding it from 1 to 2, and more to more publicity, it started reaching to the people around. And yes, I have international clients coming from US, coming from Dubai, New Zealand, and yeah, it's
Lovely. Lot of success stories. I'm going to come to that. What makes Nikita's Earthborn products, which are very plant-based and natural, from other plant-based and natural products in the market?
See, basically, when I talk about why I am different from the organic, because today, in today's time, the market is bloom with an organic products. People, every Tom, Dick and Harry will say it's organic, it's organic. Very difficult for a normal person to differentiate what is organic and what is not organic.
Absolutely.
So my thing is like when I talk to the people or when I talk about my brand, all the ingredients majority comes from Korea. And when that is imported from Korea, that all ingredients are lab tested. And after getting lab tested, then the process takes a formulation of the product. After the finished product, again it has been lab tested. So that it works properly on the skin and I get a proper result. Everything is first trialed, and then after that the final product is into the market.
Oh, brilliant. So everything is lab tested. Amazing, Nikita. What are some of your favorite natural ingredients and how do you feel that they benefit the skin and the hair?
Yeah, so a few of the products which I always love and I always want that to be in my skin products, I will say is hyaluronic acid. It's an amazing for the skin hydration. It helps to give a lot of moisture, make your skin plump. Then one of the product is ceramides. Ceramides works beautifully. It keeps your moisture locked in your skin. You know, and because of that, usually what happens, anything what we use takes away the moisture of the skin. This helps to lock the moisture and treat your skin naturally and internally. Ceramides are there, peptides are there. They are the combinations of fatty acids and everything, which again helps to enhance your skin. Retinol, which is a vitamin A form, again it helps to reduce your skin lines. It improves your skin levels. But again, all these combinations has to be taken care. Not more of retinol is good for your skin, because you would have seen many people
So
are
you need
reactive.
to balance it.
Yes, so that balanced formula has to be worked. But these are beautiful products. Glycerin is again one of the very easily available product. Beautifully it works. It is one of the thing which barriers the skin to the moisture which goes away from your skin. It locks and it takes the good moisture from the air and keeps in your skin.
By the way, while I'm talking to you, do you mind if I ask you your age?
I don't mind, absolutely, but yeah, I'll ask to the viewers that how old do I look? I would like to know about that.
Because the skin, the texture, the evenness on the skin is so beautiful. So I'm really inquisitive to know your age, Nikita, today.
So I'll be 44 now.
Lovely, isn't it? And you use your products.
Absolutely.
Right from day one, right?
Absolutely.
You can see it live. Just live in front of you, dear viewers. Well, that was not a part of the question. I also wanted to know, what are some of the misconceptions when it comes to such natural plant-based products in this beauty industry, Nikita?
सबसे पहले ना whenever I talk about an organic product to the people over there, they will always say that ये herbal products है, ये Ayurvedic products है. Yeah, no, there is a difference between an organic product, herbal products and Ayurvedic products that people fail to understand. Herbal products are taken in the form of a plant, directly plants are used in that, or they are taken in the form of a powders and all that thing they are used. When we talk about organic, it is a very different concept. Organic means the growth of that particular plant or the particular ingredient is in an organic form. No chemical used. For example, nowadays we are using a keratin in the shampoos, which is one of the beautiful ingredient for hair. कैरेटीन ले लो, आर्गन ऑयल ले लो, या फिर आप बायोटिन ले लो. ये सब का जो ग्रोथ होता है, वो जो द प्रोडक्शन इट हैपन्स विदाउट केमिकल्स. सो ग्रोइंग ऑफ सच थिंग्स आर इन अ नेचुरल फॉर्म. अगर हम कैरेट में से कैरेटिन ले रहे हैं, our products are completely vegan. We do not take keratin from the feathers of the birds. We take it from the carrot. So again, that carrot is grown in an organic form. From there we take, and that's why the products are called organic products.
Very nice. जब हम ऑर्गेनिक की बात ही कर रहे हैं, it is so much important to go for tried and tested beauty products, because these days the word organic is misused, manipulated. Like just yesterday we had Holi celebrations in our country, and there were lot of colors which were named as organic, but I have seen it myself that people's skin, eyes were all impacted, including me. Hence it is important that we go for organic products, especially when we know it is lab tested and we can trust those products. Very well said, Nikita.
Thank you.
Any success stories of your clients, जो आपके clients थे आपके साथ share किए? वैसे आप ही एक बड़े success story हैं, but if you would like to share some success stories with us.
So I have a friend from US now, and she says that now I am an ambassador of Nikita's Earthborn. So because she's been using it since so long, and she has seen fabulous results on her skin and hair. Previously, unfortunately, before 1.5 years ago, she was detected with thyroid cancer, and that worries us more because skin becomes more sensitive because of radiation. People lose hair because of radiations and radioactive tablets. The process we all know is very painful for cancer patients. And she was like, Nikita, my hair, my skin. I said, don't worry, I am there to take care of you. You use these products. Few products which I feel I need to send it to, I'll send it across to you. And she was continuously using it and using it. That was miracle for me also, that her skin glow more. Her hair, she did not had any hair fall during that process. And now whenever she goes to, and she yeah, one more thing I'll say, that she is a swimming expert in US.
Oh, wow.
And she has
So
to,
it's she's a professional?
yes, now she has become a professional swimming. She's a teacher and a professional swimmer.
Okay.
So she has to wash her hair every day, and she needs to use a very, very mild product. And that was a product where she's been using it continuously. Her salon person came and said, "What are you doing to your hair and skin? It has improved a lot." And then she said, "This is the brand, I'm using it, and that is my success story." It gives me so much accomplishment and so much satisfaction that I have been able to do for the woman who was in pain, and she has overcome it, and she's smiling beautifully.
How lovely is that? I mean, I got goosebumps, Nikita. Nikita, if somebody is न्यू टू निकिताज अर्थबॉर्न, जैसे आपने अपने क्लाइंट को बताया कि आप ये प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ करना शुरू करिए, इफ समबडी इज़ न्यू टू दिस प्रोडक्ट्स, विच आर द 3 products that you would like to recommend to start with?
Usually, Riddhi, what I do is, like, if I have to recommend any product to anybody, I will not directly recommend anything like that. First, I will say, if you are having any kind of problem with your body or your skin, so I do that consultation, basic briefing about their body, their requirement, and accordingly, I will recommend their products. But if somebody is absolutely okay and they want to try Nikita's Earthborn, in that scenario, I will definitely give my ceramide moisturizing yogurt with aloe vera and vitamin E, because that works beautifully for every skin, because it locks the moisture, gives you plumpness. Vitamin E again works beautifully. Aloe vera gives you free anti-inflammatory है वो. एंड वो 2 साल से लेके 60 साल के बच्चे लोग कोई भी यूज़ कर सकता है.
Okay.
इज दैट सेफ. इट्स अ formulated, doctor formulated formulas.
Okay.
That has been used, and it treats any kind of skin problems like eczema and psoriasis.
Oh, lovely.
So that product I recommend. My hair serum is very beautiful, which is free from any kind of parabens and silicons. You can use it on your dry hair also, and you can set your hair and you're ready to go, and it is with UV rays protection. So it works beautifully that way. And yes, my cosmetic product, which is one of my favorite, is my BB cream.
Acha. Oh, so you can start with these 3 products by Nikita's Earthborn. A message to all the viewers, indirect message कि आप directly shop कर सकते हैं निकिता से. Well, Nikita, jokes apart, how do people reach out to you?
People can reach out to me through my Instagram handles, my Facebook handle, and there on Twitter also, and people can reach out to me through a phone also.
Lovely. निकिता, जब आप एक पायनियर है इस इंडस्ट्री में, बिकॉज पायनियर इन ऑर्गेनिक एंड नेचुरल प्रोडक्ट्स, something which is creating a absolute new space, right? And people are liking it, people are vying for it. Any 3 beauty tips that you would like to share with our viewers?
Sure, I will definitely like to tell the viewers that you have to make sure whenever you're using anything for your skin or hair, that you make sure what problem first you are facing. Make sure that the product is completely free from chemicals like parabens है, phthalates है, oxybenzone है, ये सारे जो है, टिटेनियम डाइऑक्साइड है, मिका है, ये सारी चीज़ें नहीं सही है हमारे हेयर और स्किन के लिए. Make sure that your shampoos are sulfate parabens free, silicone free. That's the most important thing, because parabens works in your hormonal cycle also. You know, it may be a male, it can be a female, it can work with your puberty issues, it can work with your fertility issues as well. So phthalates है, parabens है, ये सारी चीज़ें नहीं होनी चाहिए आपके प्रोडक्ट में. Use the mild products for your hair and skin, because they need to breathe. Silicone has to not be there in any kind of products.
Okay.
It is very very harmful. Smoothness देता है लेकिन डैमेज उससे डबल करके जाता है. So for hair, I will definitely say use a product which is sulfate, paraben and silicone free. Understand which are parabens like dimethicone you can say and everything like that. For skin, yes, avoid titanium dioxide, mica and any kind of other chemicals which you feel it's very causing irritation. Irritation अगर कोई भी products होता है, stop using it.
ब्रिलियंट, थैंक यू सो मच निकिता। आपने बहुत सारी छोटी छोटी जो मिथ्स एसोसिएटेड होती हैं और शायद हमें इस चीज़ का नॉलेज ही नहीं होता है कि इस प्रोडक्ट्स में ये चीज़ें हैं दैट इज़ हानिकारक टू आवर स्किन, आवर हेयर एंड आवर हेल्थ. Well, to all the viewers, I hope you now understand what is the difference between Ayurvedic, organic and natural products, plant-based products. We stick to all the things that is tried and tested and lab tested. So you can always connect with Nikita for her products. So you can always connect with Nikita for her products. The details have been shared by her. And thank you so much, Nikita, for being here at this podcast. And to all the viewers, see you in the next episode with yet another successful Lajja member. See you soon.
Thank you so much.
Thank
It is my
you so
pleasure.
much.